the lizards. We'll wait for Daddy because I'm just checking these guys out real quick. I like reptiles too.
I would have no idea. I just avoid them all. Make sure.
I love the color on that one. That one too. The Mirabella. With the color on that one. That's gorgeous. Just saying. Spider crawling. Can you believe how iridescent? Remember Jimmy Jack the Super Beetle? He was green like these guys.
Sock guy. I think we got him on camera. I remember. I think
Maybe.
we did. Oh, great! I have no idea. But like Jimmy Jack was like a giant like beetle, like literally. Like,
He was green. He was
giant.
out of my way. Jimmy Jack the Super Beetle.
And then there was another little guy who was like a sock and he was like crawling away. Like I'm on my way. Gotta go. Sorry.
Got plans.
Oh, it's probably dead now.
Yeah, I saw it.
It was a long time ago. Okay. It's a snake. That's a poisonous snake.
That is a little tiny snake.
Want to know what it is? See that little tail?
Yeah.
That's a rattlesnake.
Oh.
This is a pit viper. See the horns on the nose? That's poisonous too.
I'm gonna go by Mama.
That is a cobra.
I'm gonna go by Mama.
Are they poisonous? No, you can't go by your mama.
What?
Because you're by me now.
No.
And I have to hug you and love you forever. I'm kidding. Go by mama. Walk, please.
What do you think of this so far?
Back. The 0 on the back means you have 0 chance of living if I bite you.
You know, if you hit me, it'll pop your back.
That one we can't miss. See how that snake's just got a wider jaw and a little bit pointy nose?
Oh, if you
Snake.
That is a giant isopod. That's actually something you see in the ocean.
That ant is massive.
And this spider is something you don't want on your bed.
That is a ginormous ant. Look at that. It can carry like a weight or something, like a 5-pound weight.
This is a Dobson fly. They're crazy looking. Tarantula.
Run through all the bugs and willies. Daddy, you got.
Look at that giant grub.
Daddy,
Holy.
Daddy,
Look at that. I know. Look at that.
Daddy, you got stick bugs.
I sure did. Oh no, turtle. Okay. Hey Mirabella. Tell me you don't believe in God. That's a leaf bug. It looks literally like a leaf. These are katydids. And don't they look like leaves? Exactly like leaves? God is real, guys. This didn't happen by accident. God is quite real, guys.
Daddy, look at that big eye.
It is an octopus. An armored sea robin. We're going. Those are horned beetles. That's a king cobra.
Now I know why. Now I know why it's called the king cobra.
Because I could probably eat pretty much any other snake in the world.
Look, that is 10 times taller than me.
That's a big stinking snake too. Look at the size of that head.
Come on.
Wait, what do you think?
Let's go check on Mama and let her know where we are, okay?
You want to see the most tiniest crab on Earth? Right there.
Oh my gosh, you're right. I can't believe I missed that. They're so little. Oh my gosh.
That's microscopic.
It looks like a spider for crying out loud.
Microscopic. 18.
This is the example of sometimes you're only a little crabby and sometimes you're this crabby. Come on.
I feel crabby. Angel. No, I do.
It's a puffer fish. I love the puff puffs.
They're really cute. They're really cute, and sometimes they like spit water out,
Yep.
like having them all like.
This is a what?
Eel.
Eel. Come on. I like these. That's the only one I look really quick. Yes.
Somebody told you about the GoPro. We don't allow like GoPros with cameras and stuff.
I had no idea.
Play the little bags.
Connect 4? Alright.
Your water bottles, these two. Got a little chest thing going on.
Shouldn't have listened to me, Daisy.
I love one water bottle, 2 water bottles.
And the camera.
Yeah, well, they have the fun.
Lots of updates happening.
Alright, you go first.
Who's the kind of queen?
Oh, we gotta pick the bottle. Now go ahead. Now I go. Our goal is to connect 4, so. Huh?
And she didn't realize how significant this painting was until she saw it on the cover of Saturday Evening Post. She was not aware of that when she posed it. So in today's money, she probably would have asked for more money to be on the cover.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the pose comes from the Sistine Chapel's painting of the Prophet Isaiah, minus the sandwich. That's the story.
It's Rose of the River.
Yeah.
Wow.
Incredible. Walking to Boris.
Where did he come from? Does it say?
It's somebody who's fascinated with Pinocchio,
Right.
the artist, enamel on wood. Let me check these out. There's a step there.
Yeah, look up, kiddo. This is so cool. This statue is a tribute to the dedication, attention to duty and
Civilian
ability
Conservation Corps.
of the enrollees, leaders,
My
and
grandpa.
commanders of the the
did
Civilian
that.
Conservation Corps, the CCC. We can take it.
This was probably the lowest I've seen the water ever.
Because the water is low. Because it hasn't rained. Love you, kiddo.
And there's a swimming pool and stuff too that they have here for the people.
They built this in 1933.
It's muddy.
It's pretty low. Usually it's up and over the top, and it's trickling down a little.
Yeah, that's pretty nasty.
Yeah, normally they could guess that you never can't see the rocks or any of that.
Watch your footing.
And down here, what?
Come look for frog faces with us. There's something.
I just
Oh, they're
scared
fish.
something.
Those are fish. I
Oh.
see them swimming that way.
I think I might see a turtle.
Please watch your footing. There might be a leaf or something floating. Good eye though. I wouldn't have seen it right away. No. Be real careful. We can go on this dock though. Don't get so close to the edge, okay? Make me nervous. If you go in head first, we're in trouble, kiddo. Just come out on this part.
Hey, it's one of those.
Yep, paddle
You can
team.
actually.
It costs money to rent them though. Yes. You're not supposed to be stepping on them. At the Tulsa Zoo. Take a peek in Cold Creek. Hi, turtles. Aww.
There's like a million, Mama.
Hi, sweeties. Are you looking for handouts or something?
Holy smoly, they are.
Give us food.
You got popcorn?
Will
You
like
got some goodies out there?
Will like popcorn.
If there's
Give
one,
us
there's
that.
30. Is this group coming?
Uh-huh.
Definitely these two will be thoroughly.
Yeah, I was thinking. Like, no, really. Hi, turtles.
Have we seen turtles like almost everywhere we've gone this whole weekend?
Yeah, I think so.
Except for my yard, they didn't.
That's a big one. Oh my goodness.
If I
That's a
got
snapping turtle.
If
Big
I-
head.
holy
cow.
cow, that is a snapping. Oh, that is a snapping turtle.
That's a snapper. And they're swimming even from over there. My goodness.
Wait, that is her.
And Aunt Sherry.
Oh. Hey, turtles.
Oh, did you see?
Hey, buddies. There's about 30 of them.
Wow. Much bigger than the ones at the creek, at the,
Oh.
yeah. Oh, yeah, look at that
He's a
one
big
down,
guy.
right straight down. He's
Yeah,
the
there's
biggest
a,
one.
that's a snapper right there. Yeah.
Okay.
See him?
Oh, I do. He's so
He say,
cute.
you guys got some treats?
Hi,
Usually
bud.
have a food
I
thing
want
you can
treats.
feed them.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's what Ruth
And there's
said.
a red-eared slider.
That's why they're sitting right there.
Ah, they're looking.
Oh my goodness, this
I
is our
want
treat.
goodies.
You see how many?
Something else.
Oh, there's another snapper.
I think it's
Look at that big boy. It's crawling up to the other one.
Yep.
Two got food.
I want goodies. Hey, I'm
His
adorable.
His little face is so. Holy cow! That is
Oh,
a big
yeah.
boy.
That's a
Yeah.
dinosaur.
That is a real stinking big boy.
He's coming this way.
Hey, did you notice the
slowly.
rock?
Komodo dragon.
Oh yeah, that is cute.
the lion head.
Aunt Sherry needs that for her garden.
Step up on here.
Second one. That was the same one that was sitting on top of that rock.
I think that is. I don't know if she has voice.
No, we just saw two.
Boy.
Look at him.
Oh, yeah.
He's sticking his tongue out at you.
Bud.
Wouldn't want to run
Get him
into
back.
one of those.
They're
Here
not
he goes.
poisonous, but their bites are so dirty that it'll actually kill an animal or kill a human if they bite you. There's a bacteria
That
in their
thing looks
system.
like it could eat
That's
me.
pure muscle.
Look at that boy.
Power.
How
Hi.
nice of him to put on a show coming right by you.
Yeah.
Showing off.
Hi, Bud. Look at you.
Wow, so
You
handsome.
seen any chickens?
Muscles. Lots of muscles.
They're kind of bowed out, man. Yeah.
He's even doing a
Faster than they wanted
strut.
to.
He's even doing a
leg, honey. You're we're standing in your leg. Look at him.
See, you didn't put the lid on right?
It's on the
You can
island.
go up there and
It's a doodle.
I will go back, okay?
It's dark in here, but we can still see you.
Kimberly, the little gator.
Two of the turtles are off.
Yeah.
Go underwater. He isn't just a little guy.
There's a couple of them.
He's going back and forth being a little watching us.
Here he is, under the water. Look at this handsome guy.
That's a Chinese alligator.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at him on the bottom, resting there.
He's not sleeping. He's just tired. I see him moving. His eyes are open. He's just really tired.
Man, the membership.
Snow leopard.
Going up there too.
One time, they were like
Yes.
all the kindergartners were like
Infections for a number of reasons.
About these guys,
Hampton.
the mint and like the mounts and stuff, and like a lot of vertical. These are rescues. They're kids.
They probably had
Probably like my age. 12.
On this
I'm not
wild
12,
animal.
10.
They're cleaning up the elephant poop. Dung.
What are you guys doing all the way up there? You missed it. They were trying to fish food out of the little bags. Yeah.
Enrichment. All their
Yeah,
enrichment.
he's looking through the gate.
It's been many years since we've seen elephants at
What's in
zoos.
there?
Mirabella says this is the first time she remembers seeing a live elephant.
He's giving himself a dust bath.
Yeah, get all the bugs off him.
Yeah, they have a nice setup here for these elephants.
Yeah. They got plenty of fun stuff for him to mess with. I like that.
So I think that deck they're building over there is in addition to this whole outdoor area.
Well, yeah. They're building something new for him.
I actually, you know what? I kind of feel pain from the elephants, but not too much. Like,
I think they really try their best to give him a nice place to live.
like in pain, but like they're happy. Oh, that's sort of.
Yeah, he's trying to get some vegetables or something out of
I
there.
can tell they're kind of not because like they're together.